Good day. What do we have? An Apple chart. What do we have? An Apple sell down. 1,162 lows and only 30 highs with a $26.94 uh, range here on Apple. And I can tell you here on this daily chart right now that we are getting at levels that we haven't seen this oversold level on a daily chart in many years. Not since you were back in the financial crisis of 2008. And that this name has just been in a free-for-all since the election. They did not like what Obama, and we did sell down. We bounced $4 here, but we've made the series of 1,162 lows. The high of the day was 562, and the low is 535. We had a very big sell down in the name yesterday with back-to-back increased selling on the second day, something that Apple hasn't done for years. We will just tell people that at some point in here that we're going to get so oversold you can't go but up. We're not quite there yet. I've got these daily trend lines here, and we're at this major support level of this first trend line, the second one, third one, and fourth one. Yeah, and it even goes below 500 still. The thing about it is that the MACD and the percent DS, that the high frequency algorithmic programs should take it higher because they're not going to be able to sell down too much further, and they will have to read that math the other way. So here's where we were yesterday. We were up here at 574. Today's big break right here of this major support level at 558. Look, Apple Computer has never been this deeply oversold for, like I said, many years. You have to go back to the financial crisis. We are going to plug these numbers in our system, and once all of these sellers are finally and once and for all have cleared out and they have capitulated the name in the shorter time frame, we're going to be taking a look at where the bottom will be. And in the very short macro that we're getting ripe, the more that they capitulate the last part of the sellers, I can tell you that the money flow is $606 million and counting higher. That is the money flow called negative money flow that's been selling in this name again. The money flow and the unwind out of this name with the fear factor running higher, and I can tell you the Dow is down 105 handles. All of them are getting mutilated. The S&P just broke its 200-day moving average, the last video that we did with our traders, and this is what we call a bear reversal in markets. Until there is fiscal cliff has to be dealt with, well, that's a different subject. Just know that at some point we will capitulate the name where it will be so oversold that it can only do one thing, and that would be go higher. So as we go through the capitulation phases and let all the sellers get their busy work done, and once they've cleared this tape, we'll be looking for the lower end of the bottoms to get in.